It's finally here. The wait is over. Yours truly, The Quinn, presents my new website. It is a free all-in-one resource for blind and visually impaired persons. It provides a beginner's guide for blind and visually impaired persons, which takes them through the steps on how to use their devices with various assistive technology. There's also a page in which you can access all my YouTube videos and their transcripts. These videos include tutorials on how to use various applications with NVDA add-on reviews, accessible app reviews, and inspirational interviews. All of this in one place. And trust me, there is more coming up in the pipeline. Lastly, affordable audio editing, data entry, and voiceover services are also offered on the Services tab of the website. Sounds exciting, right? What are you waiting on? Pull up your favorite browser and type in theequinn.vercel.app. That is theequinn.vercel.app. No www required. I'll see you there.